Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Chester County History Center Library's Big Dig Mystery Box unboxing video. During the month of January, the library was closed in order to conduct what we call the Big Dig, a chance to go through the backlog of donations the library has acquired over the decades. At some point during the Big Dig, we came across this locked metal box and we decided to hold a contest on social media, where the person who came closest to guessing the contents of the box would win a free membership. Since you're watching this video, the contest has unfortunately ended, but stay tuned. We might be holding more of these contests in the future, so be sure to subscribe, follow, and do whatever you gotta do to stay connected. This video has been time-lapsed and edited, so you can see much of the initial survey process. What you're seeing are the materials exactly how I encountered them. There was no staging, and so this is more of a discovery to get a general sense of the items and how we might interpret them. Now, I suspect a lot of you may be cringing, as it looks like many of the materials in this collection are not in the best of shape. Time can do a real number on materials, so we here at CCHC will do our best to stabilize things. You may also wonder why I'm wearing gloves. This is both so I don't damage the materials, and also so I can protect myself from the collection. There's always a possibility of encountering mold or other toxic substances, so it's smart to be cautious when sorting through unknown items. This particular collection seems to have come to us about 10 years ago from the family member of the collection's creator. The librarian at the time of donation decided that these materials would fit in with the rest of our collections that document the history of Chester County and its families. We think this is a wonderful addition to our collections here at CCHC, and we hope that you enjoyed this brief glimpse into the initial survey process. If you have any interest in what the next steps are that archivists take to process and prepare a collection like this for researchers, let us know in the comments. Even better, the CCHC library is always looking for help in the forms of volunteers and interns, so if you'd be interested, stop by our website and fill out a volunteer application. In addition, if you're looking to begin your own genealogical journey, we here at the CCHC Library are ready to assist you. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon.